All right, good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to go to see the sunrise this morning, but there's a thunderstorm in the area, so Ben?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, bro.
Of course, bro. So I'm trying to navigate through these stairs with no hands and only 1 foot.
And then fall down.
And fall down, yeah. Put your stuff in here. Everybody say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing. We just wake up randomly and just get up and get out of here. Yeah. We're on a Sungtao this morning. Our friend Zoom, come and picked us up. But it was barely raining. As soon as he picks us up, pouring down now. Oh. Oh, there was a clean bathroom, that's it. Yeah. Oh, I can't even see you on camera. You're right there. You're right here. Okay.
I'm right here.
Oh, they already. The market's already here.
Yeah.
You want some food?
Okay.
Couple crab. Bye. Bye. Q-fin. You ladies ready? It's not that far. We waiting on King?
Yes.
Spooky dookie. Yeah. Yeah, bro. You see your breath, bro. There you go. Get it all out. It's foggy up here, too.
Big spiders.
Come on, spiders.
Are you? There's sun coming.
Yeah, for you. Yeah. It's foggy, hon. I can't see you. What's wrong? Which one? The big one? Yeah. Is it broken? Come on, ladies.
I don't remember they have this strip right here.
Yes, babe. Yeah, remember this is where we took the pretty sun coming through here. The walking and the sun was coming through. weird how it's so black in there, and then right here it's all lit up. What? Oh, where? Where? What is it?
Jackajan.
Jackajan? Where's he at? Oi! There he is. Oi. Oh, look at those clouds. That's pretty. Oh, Ben, come over here. Y'all hurry up. Come over here. It's wet. It's wet. Very muddy. Yeah. Just walked all through that.
หลง
Do not go beyond this.
We're on our way back down. Hasn't rained on us, so that's a good thing. Waterfalls are amazing. They're full from all the rain, recent rain. All right, we're done with Maekampong waterfalls. We're at the bottom. Gonna head back to the homestay, probably get some lunch, and I think we're gonna go to some hot springs. Maekampong waterfall. Okay, so we're here on our last day in Maekampong, outside of Chiang Mai, up in the mountains, and beautiful morning. It's been sunny, so getting ready to leave, and I was like, man, I think it's gonna rain, and everybody was like, nah, it's not gonna rain today. It's raining. It's raining. Just a little shower. It's about 4 o'clock. Gonna get on the train around 6 and have another overnighter on the express train out of Chiang Mai to Bangkok. Second voice, second-hand, slightly used voice. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Later. Okay. Maekampong, peace eye. Bye, you guys. Bye-bye. All right, bye-bye. Thank you. Cup and cup. Okay. You ready
Yes.
for the train ride, King?
What is it here like?
Train. Choo-choo. What we're going to take home.
Okay.
Lot. I don't know how you say train in
ร
Thai.
ถไฟ
Lo-fi?
รถ
Oh, rot-fi.
Yes.
Okay, so then we're going to take the rot-fi back to Chiang Mai. Chiang Watana.
Therefore, stand over there. Alright, Olio first. Olio.
Olio.
Oh, the bean.
Bean.
You just said Olio.
So we're about to jump on the yellow bus back down the hill. About 40 minutes. Maybe shorter, I don't know. And then get on the road fi. Chai. Okay, we're here live in Chiang Mai, Maekampong village. And what do you have to say about Maekampong?
There's a beautiful place and good food.
Speak
and
English,
good,
please. Oh, my bad.
Good weather, good people, and good coffee.
And good food.
I'm saying good food already.
Oh, you did? Okay, I interrupted you. It's okay, maybe right. Okay.
You look like a local.
There's our yellow bus. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ ไปไหนดีครับ
ใช่นิดหน่อย
ไปไหนดี
โอเค oh where go oh Bangkok
no
no
ไปกันไหม
ไปกินไหม บักโอ้ครับผมครับ heavy โอเค
โอเค
ขึ้นหักตัวละขึ้นหักอะไรวะน้ำเข้ามาขวดหนึ่ง
โอ้ย
ไปแล้วนะครับเจ็บ
ไปแล้วไหมครับ
ไปแล้วนะครับไปแล้วนะ
She
ครั
look back
ยืนที่ดูสิไปแล้วนะครับ
เอามา
ไปแล้วไหมนะครับ Oh, finally made it to the train station. Got a little nauseous. I ain't gonna lie. It's about an hour. That was about 40 minutes, but it's an hour ride back.
ไปเจอกันไปดูเตากัน
เดี๋ยวส่งรูปให้ถ่ายแล้ว
Okay, so we just checked in, about to board the train. We've got a few minutes to walk around and settle down a little bit. A lot of Falong on this train. We're all heading back to Bangkok. Lightning. Just keep going. Ah, y'all ruined it.